Hey everybody, it's me, Red Duolingo. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Haha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are, Miska, Muzka, Red Duolingo. Say it with me, Miska, Muzka, Red Duolingo.
RED, DUOLINGO, RED, DUOLINGO. It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. Roll call. Aaron, Porta Duolingo, Giga Chicken, Cristobal, Giga Marco, Red Duolingo, that's me. It's the Red Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. RED, DUOLINGO.
It's the Red Duolingo's clubhouse. What's that sound?
Oh, hi. Here's the mail that never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes I wanna wail. Mail. Thank you so much for all your help today.
Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got tears. It's time for cheers. Hot dog, the problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're slipping the scene, we're full of beans. So long for now from Duolingo.
That's me.
And Red, Duolingo's Clubhouse.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Bye bye, see you next time. Duolingo Chupo.